sink,
Float.
and float. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, grab the troll.
Float. Sink.
Does it sink or float?
Sink.
Floats.
Back.
You want to try a Cheerio? Do they float?
Yeah.
Yeah. What about the fireman?
Yeah.
Does he float?
Sink.
Good. And the bowl. Try the bowl. Does it float? Put it on the water.
No.
Does it float?
Dad.
Fireman. Bowl.
Dad.
Yeah. I wonder if the fireman would float in the bowl. Let's see. What if we put him, what if we sit him down in the bowl? Does he float?
No.
All right. Well, our sheet has gotten a little wet here, hasn't it? Is it wet?
Yeah.
Yeah. But we can still see that the troll, the bowl, and the Cheerios float, and the fireman sunk.
How is it?
All right, we are going to go and test some more objects. Bye.